Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub, and once again I welcome you from Madyan Hotel, Madyan, Swat Valley. Okay, so guys, well, the weather is awesome and I'm literally enjoying this beautiful valley. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how to practice IELTS listening, especially if you just start your listening and if you are not in any coaching center, or if you cannot afford going to any coaching center and you've decided to practice on your own. So these tips and techniques are actually for you. Now let me tell you the tips which I'm going to give you. These tips are for the first week, or it's for initial couple of weeks, and after that you can just take practice tests and you can just do IELTS listening as it should be done. Now, if your basic level of English is weak and you do not understand accent of English, dialect of English, then this video is going to be very helpful to you. First of all, what you have to do, you have to start it section by section. Not question by question, okay? Section by section. For example, section 1. In section 1, there are 10 questions, and after every 4 or 5 questions, they take a pause for 30 seconds and they allow you to read the next questions. So you need to start with section 1. Play the audio, and when you play the audio, initially they'll say you'll now have 30 seconds to read the questions. Read the questions carefully as per your understanding. Let the audio go on. At this point, do not temper the audio. Do not try to actually, go back and listen to it again. No, just go on with the flow and take all 4 questions, all four or 5 questions until they say you'll now have some time to look at questions 5 to 10, 6 to 10 and all that. At this point, you can check your answers. Like you've done 4 or 5 answers, part 1, you can check your answers. And once you check your answers, if all answers are correct, then there is a pat from this hand. You can give a pat on your shoulder. And if your answers are wrong, then same hand and there is a slap on your face. Yeah, now you have come to this age where people will not slap you and your parents will not slap you, so you can slap yourself sometimes. Stupid Asad, what have you done? Well done Asad, great job. Something like this, okay? Now the next thing is what we call debriefing. At this point, you're going to check your wrong answers. Why the answers are wrong. In order to check your wrong answers, you can play back the audio. You can play it again. You can play it as many times as you want to. Go back, listen to their wording, and you need to see the traps actually. There are many traps in IELTS listening. For example, if they say, when is the party? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, they will say a lot. First, we want you to have a party on Monday, but because Monday is the first working day, everybody seems to be busy. Therefore, we finalize Tuesday. And as Jack is busy on Tuesday, he cannot come. So now, guys, final day for the party is Wednesday. Answer is Wednesday. And they talked about Monday, they talked about Tuesday and all that. So in IELTS, whatever you listen, don't believe. You need to see what is right and what is wrong. Listen carefully, listen with full attention, and as you listen, you need to actually, visualize whatever you are listening. So like this, do the debriefing with question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, question number 4. Guys, these are the techniques which made me IELTS trainer. I became IELTS trainer following these techniques. So I want you to follow such type of techniques, and every question should be looked into. Every option should be looked into. You need to investigate, and this is how you will teach yourself good English, and you will teach yourself IELTS as well. Thank you so much. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are not my subscriber, be my subscriber, okay? I also teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.